Yellowstone National Park, established on 1st March 1872, is the world's first national park. The park is an active supervolcano with an underground dome of magma just below surface, making it home to the world's largest active geyser field. It contains over 10,000 hydrothermal features, hot springs, mud pots, travertine terraces, and fumaroles. Old Faithful erupts reliably every 33, 120 minutes, shooting water 100 plus feet high. Yellowstone Lake is North America's largest high elevation lake, 131.7 square miles. The park hosts the largest mammal concentration in the lower 48 states with 67 species, including bison, elk, wolves, grizzly bears, and trumpeter swans. Nearly 300 bird species have been documented. With 2,000 plus archaeological sites, 27 Native American tribes inhabited the area for 10,000 plus years before the park was founded. The park has 290 waterfalls, 1,000 miles of hiking trails, 3,000 annual earthquakes, and is a UNESCO World Heritage Site since 1978.
Panjin in northeast China, its famous red beach is a stunning crimson wetland in Liaoning province, one of the world's rarest natural wonders. The vivid red color comes from a rare plant called Sueda salsa alkali grass by seepweed, not sand. This plant is green in spring and summer, but transforms into deep red to purple in autumn, with peak color in September, October. Red Beach lies within the world's best preserved and largest wetland and reed marsh system, where rivers converge. The water has very high saline and alkaline levels that Sueda salsa thrives in. The wetland is home to over 260 bird species and 399 animal species, including the endangered red-crowned crane, the rarest crane on Earth. Red Beach is hailed as the world's only red coastline and charts as one of China's 6 most beautiful places.
In the Karakum Desert of Turkmenistan lies one of the most extraordinary and terrifying natural phenomena on Earth, the Darbaza gas crater, popularly known as the Doku Hill. This massive burning crater has been engulfed in flames for nearly 55 years, creating an inferno that continues to burn day and night, defying all expectations of its eventual extinction. The crater measures 70 meters in width and 30 meters in depth, covering more than 2,800 square meters. Its creation was the result of a catastrophic accident in 1971 when Soviet geologists drilling for oil accidentally collapsed an underground natural gas cavern, fearing that poisonous methane gas would spread to nearby villages and cause harm to the local population. The scientists deliberately set the escaping gas on fire. They expected the blaze to consume itself within a few weeks, but the flames have continued unabated ever since, making it the only permanently burning gas crater in the world. The temperature inside the crater reaches approximately 1000 degrees Celsius, comparable to industrial metal smelting furnaces. Hundreds of individual flames erupt from the crater floor and rim, with some reaching heights of 10 to 15 meters.
The Waitomo Caves in New Zealand are a 30 million year old limestone wonderland famous for their magical glowworms. The caves formed underwater from marine fossils, bones, shells, and coral that hardened into sedimentary rock, then rose above sea level through tectonic activity before rainwater carved the caverns over the last million years. The glowworms, scientifically called Arachnocampa luminosa, aren't worms at all. They're carnivorous fly larvae found only in New Zealand. They emit blue-green bioluminescent light, creating a starry sky effect on cave ceilings. When hungry, they catch midges, flies, and mosquitoes using sticky mucus traps, but can survive weeks or months without food. Some stalactites and stalagmites have grown for over 30,000 years. Glowworms are most abundant in summer December, March when the starry effect is most spectacular.